In today's video, I'm going to show you all how I like to do my rope twist. So here is the back of my hair, and I love the rope twist for the summer or any time that you decide to do this style because it is so easy, it is so simple. So what I did was I mixed my hair with water, and then after I did that, what I decided to do was I sectioned my hair in very small parts, especially in the front, because I like to be able to navigate like around my hair. And also, like, my skull is extremely big, so I just wanted my twist to be a little bit smaller this time. And then I just put my clips in it to kind of just hold all of my additional twists in place. Now I do like this clasp, or whatever you call this little pink thing, because it really does help me like separate my hair. So what I normally do is this time I pick my rope twist to be like very small. So I literally pick like 4 or 5 of them, well, like 5 or 6 of them, especially in the front. And then what I also like to do is just I literally like twist my hair as I am twisting my hair in the rope twist. Does that make sense? Because I noticed that when I twist it within the rope twist, that it seems to look more like a twist, like a rope, instead of just a regular 2-strand twist, especially with locks. So if you just kind of just loosely twist your hair, then versus like the way that I rope twist my hair is not the same way. And I've noticed, because I've done the 2-strand twist like both ways, and I really like actually rotating your hair inside of the rope twist, if that makes sense. But it's actually like a science to it, like a hair science, right? So really I just want to kind of just show it to you a little bit, so you see like how I am twisting, like kind of just, y'all see it, like I'm literally like creating a rope, like tying it within the 2-strand twist, and it really makes it look more like a rope twist. So it's not just 2-stranding it, like I really do rotate my hair within, and all I'm doing is just bringing my extra hair. And a lot of times I like to make sure that my hair is like even around the sides, you know what I'm saying, like all of my hair is even, like as if it were cut into a bob, that everything would be cut the same way, like the same length. So I do like to make sure when I am doing my rope twist that all of my hair is in the same length, and I also make sure that I grab like the same amount of locks every single time, and then that way it can create a little bit of balance. And I also am very careful about where I want my twist, like where do I want my part. So I kind of decide, do I want my part like in the side or in the middle? And a lot of times I do twist my hair in a way that if I wanted to change the parts like every now and then, that I could do that and it wouldn't look weird. So when it comes to like the front part of my hair, again, either you could style it where you could do your part in the middle, or like you could take your hair and do it over on one side. All right, so I went ahead and I did my 2-strand or my rope twist on my Sisterlocks, and I would say that it took me at least like 45 minutes to an hour. So make sure that when you are doing this style, that you have like ample time, like kids are where they need to be, husband, family, everybody nice, like everybody is set and in their place. So when you do this hairstyle, again, it does take time, and it also depends on the length of your hair, and it also depends on how many strands of Sisterlocks that you actually want to put. So I wanted mine to be a little bit smaller, and here is the finished results. So this time I styled it where like my part was on the left side of my hair, and then that way I really just like this style. Now here are some of the things that I did while I had these rope twists, because when I tell you I wore this hairstyle for at least like 2 weeks, I wore this hair for a long time, right? So I went and I traveled to a family reunion, with this hairstyle. And then once I did the family reunion, I took this hair to the water, girl. Me and this hair went for a walk, okay, to do some exercising in the park. After I finished going to the park, then you know you got to just discipline your baby just a little bit after a workout. So this is like a whole nother day, and little man is having a time right now. So me and this hair, girl, we've been doing some things. Then you know what, a few days later, me and my hair, we did read the Bible just a little bit, because you know your girl is trying to get in a good relationship with the Lord, okay? So then we went to a family outing, y'all. And I tell y'all, I enjoyed these rope twists so much. I recorded some content with my rope twist, and you know we gotta rock the baby, okay? And not only are we rocking the baby, but I am also I'm just trying to just get him to take a nap just so that I could do this little man's hair. And then I noticed, y'all, that his hair is so long, so I'm just trying to just get him together, because his hair is so long and it is so thick. So a lot of times I just do so much throughout the day, and I'm sure that you can relate. So when I tell you that when I style my hair, it is so intentional to last me a long time. Me and this hair, we went to praise the Lord at church, okay? We also spent a little bit of time with some family after church, and then I also recorded some content in this hairstyle. So when I tell you we had like weeks at a time, once I finished doing my traveling or whatever, I was like, you know what, I wanted to go ahead and loose this hair out. So when I loosed my hair out, I decided that, you know what, I'm gonna wear it loose for some time. So I actually wore the loose curls. I wore the loose curls for like a long time. Me and these curls went like so many different places, because I really wanted to get the most out of this style that I actually could. So when I was doing that, you know, like it's time to, you know, get the baby or whatever. So I wore the loose curls for at least 4 or 5 days, like almost like another week wearing this style. So then I decided that, okay, so since the curls are dropping just a little bit, I decided that I wanted to go ahead and do some additional styles with my hair. So as you see, I started with the rope twist, then I wore the curls out. This is literally the rope twist that was on the bottom. You see what I'm saying? So when I tell you that I wanted to maximize this style, I wanted to maximize the rope twist, maximize the curls, and now we are going to maximize this hair 2 or 3 more times by styling loose curls. So all I'm gonna do is take these bobby pins right here, and I am also gonna take these hair ties, and this is all I'm gonna have, because y'all know we are busy moms and we don't have no time to be doing no 3 and 4 and 50-minute styles, right? So one of the first things that I'm gonna do is I am going to take some of my hair from the front, and what I'm gonna do is I am going to create a bun that is on the top of my hair. Now what I like to do is leave like some of the hair out on the sides, and then that way I can create a bun. Now with you doing this, make sure as well, oh no, this ain't no bun, sorry guys, this is just a ponytail up top. Okay, ponytail. So I created a ponytail up top with my hair. Now I do like this because this hairstyle is still yet professional, okay? So here is the back of my hair, and as you can see, the curls are still curling with this ponytail on top, and I think that this is a good professional look. Now the second style, and let me make sure I'm getting it right this time, because oh geez. The second time what I did was just take my hair from the top of my hair, and I just like brought it to the side and all the way around. So all I did was just took one bobby pin, and I literally, now you may have to use a few more, but I just wanted all of this hair to just go on one side. So after that, I just took a bobby pin and I kind of just like rolled my hair over and created that all the way to one side type hairstyle. Now you may need a couple more bobby pins just so that it can stay on one side, but I really like the finished results. And then from there, what I did was I swooped my hair over again. Now this is specifically for like when your curls have already dropped and you are kind of just camouflaging that your curls have dropped. So you're just creating different styles where you could just enjoy your hair, right? And then here is the bun, y'all. Here is the bun. bun. So this is one of my favorite styles. It's yet professional and so simple. So I like this bun that is on the top, and all I normally do sometimes is just make sure like my sister locks are kind of just all even. And when I say like all even, I do try to make sure that it's like no gaps within it. So when you are styling your hair like this, make sure that like you're finger combing your hair enough so that there aren't any gaps. And I also like to make sure that my bun on top is literally like in the middle. So you may have to make some adjustments, but I just wanted you to see like the different fun things that you could do with your hair. Now, with the bun that is on the top, if you want to also create like an additional ponytail that is in the back, I thought that this style was really cute as well, right? So here it is where it's a bun on top, a ponytail in the back, and then letting your hair hang again in the back. And what I do like about this is all of these styles are professional and appropriate for the workplace. So I love all of these different styles that you can have with your recycled rope twist. Then you had your curls, and now you are styling again. So here I am, y'all, just shaking my hair just a little bit because I really enjoyed the way that the rope twist has really allowed me to have a variety of styles. And then you could use all of these styles for a variety of day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all the next time.